Hello, I'm Crafter One. Welcome to an episode of Craft Along with Crafter One. In this episode, I'm making Diancie. This was recommended by Ariel Dugan. I don't know. You get the idea. It was recommended by this person. We all know that I'm terrible at pronouncing things, so we're just gonna move on. Recently, I've been getting comments to slow down so that it's easier for people to build. So going forward, I think my videos are gonna be a little longer, maybe closer to 10, 12 minutes, so that I'm not building as fast and you can see what's going on. More specifically for Diancie, this model took me about 3 hours to build. The general instructions for this model is the first thing to do is build the gems that go on the head of the model. More specifically, for the top 4 gems, I glued them together before attaching them to the head. After they were attached to the head, I glued the middle piece that go over all 4 of them, and then lastly, I glued the 2 bottom pieces onto the head. After the head was done, I started working on the white body part, building the hands and the collar pieces, and attaching them to the body. Once that was done, I attached that to the head and started building the lower torso rock, the lower rock piece, that's what I'm going to call it, the lower rock piece, and once that was done, I attached it to the body and head. Once I finished that part of the model, I started working on getting the model to stand by itself, which is the most difficult part of the model. In the templates, I've included 2 cones / pyramids to act as supports to get the model to stand. In theory, I should be creating a tripod with the bottom of the rock and the 2 supports, allowing the model to stand by itself. This is a lot more difficult than you expect, and just take your time when making this part of the model. My only suggestion for this is to glue one of the pyramids / cones to the bottom of the lower rock, waiting for that to completely dry, and then playing with the position of the last pyramid / cone, and then gluing that to the rock, allowing the model to stand. I don't really have any good ways to say it. Just take your time and play around with the location of the 2 spikes to get it correctly. Well, now that my general instructions are done, you could probably click off this video if you know how to papercraft. If you don't, you can continue watching this video to see all the specific connections on how to make the model. If you want to build this model with me, you can download the templates in the first link in the description. Since you're there, you might as well just subscribe, like, and comment your favorite fairy type Pokemon. And besides that, let's begin building.
So I want to point out specifically, this is how the back gems are supposed to look like to the model. I just don't think you can see it clearly in the video, so I just wanted to bring that up here. model's done, and I haven't let anyone stay to the end, so congratulations for you staying this long. You deserve a chocolate chip cookie. Yeah, there you go. Anyways, yeah, that's the end of the video. Again, this model took me about 3 hours to build, and quite a few tries to make. Like, it probably was like my third or fourth try on making this model. So, if you appreciate my work, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your favorite type down below. Until next time, bye bye.